I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can install CapCut on your iPhone or iOS. So this is iOS and you can easily download and install CapCut on your mobile through App Store for iPhone user. For Android user you need to go to Google Play Store, but for iPhone user you have App Store, alright? First step, you need to open App Store. After you open App Store, over here go on versus search at the bottom. Once you go on the search feed over here at the top, you want to write CAPCUT because that's what we want to download. After you search for CapCut, click on this icon over here right beside CapCut. So on your screen, it's going to show you get, but since I have already downloaded CapCut on my past, it's going to show me this little cloud icon. I can click on it and it'll start to download. But for you, you need to click on get. After you click on get, you need to verify that you're the owner of the iPhone, or in another word, you're the owner of this Apple account. How you can do that is by entering your Apple ID's password or by verifying your Face ID. Alright, so that's the thing you need to do. But after you complete the verification process, your CapCut will start to download just like this. And you can also go on the screen, and as you guys can see, it's showing me the CapCut logo and it's showing me loading, which means CapCut is downloading. And after it finishes downloading, I can click on this logo and my CapCut will open up. So that's how we guys can download and use CapCut for iPhone.